So the immigration, sorry, I'm just trying to get through my morning drink and rush out. So the immigration documents that is out, I'm sure a lot of you have heard or seen it. I didn't think this through before starting. So I just want to do a quick recap. So the immigration policy, or the update that was done 2 days ago, I believe, there are key things that you probably have heard or need to note. One of them, just a quick recap, one of them is the fact that the care visa, for those that are on care visa, are no longer going to be eligible, especially for those coming in, no longer going to be eligible for new intake. Let me just check. So no longer going to be eligible for new intake. So from the 22nd of July, that would no longer be accessible for those that are outside the country. And for those that are in the country, they would no longer be able to extend from somewhere in 2028, I think July of 2028. So you won't be able to switch or extend. For those that want to switch, they have to have a job for at least 3 months within the care setting. So I don't know if agency, because some people are asking if agency work can be part of that, but I think so, but I'm not 100% sure. But just try and get yourself, even if it's a bank role or something like that in care setting, so that if you're thinking of moving, you can do a bank of 2 days or even 1 day per week. That gives you that 3 months, I believe, because they just said 3 months. There's no time, so there's no how many hours minimum that you have to do. So that's that. The other thing is the pay for if you're just coming into the country is now going to be increased. I wish it was reduced. It's now going to be increased. So the salary threshold is to be increased. I think to like 41,700. That's a lot of money. And not a lot of industry have that much to pay people, especially for new entrants. So it means that they are trying to really up the bar and bring in only those that are extra experienced and qualified in that field. The other one to note, I believe, is the fact that the last one. The other one to note is the fact that certain jobs or jobs that are bringing in foreign workers has to now be at BSc level. I feel like we Nigerians especially, we probably don't have to worry about that much, because virtually everyone that come in, except maybe care visa routes, everyone that come in have at least a BSc qualification, especially coming in for study, your international students. A lot of them have BSc qualification anyway. So at least that one, I don't think is too bad. The other thing to note is the fact that, sorry about the noise, I'm just getting my morning capsules ready, is the fact that, what's the other fact? My brain is freezing. I can't remember. What's the last fact that I remember saying on that document? Care visa, I've talked about that. Immigration time frame, talked about that. The financial constraint. The shortage list, yeah, finally. The shortage list. So the shortage occupation list is no longer going to be accessible. They are going to scrap it, well, at least temporarily withdraw it while they fine tune, I think, a different list. And so the current one is going to be scrapped. That threshold for foreign work, which is usually lower, that all of that is going. So yeah, I think you've heard about some of these things anyway. Where's my other? Wait, I have one more. So that is that. So they are going to scrap the current document that is accessible for shortage list. So they are going to remove that and bring a new list, which I think they are kind of trying to figure out. So these are like the main changes. I'm sure you've heard about them previously, but I just thought to reiterate. I've been hearing a lot of people are either calling me or messaging me asking these questions and clarifications, and I just want to put it out there. Now I'm going to do another video just to talk about what's the implication for this. What's the implication of this for international students, for you that are your study route? What does it mean for you really? So I'll do that in a minute.